Hey guys, Dave here again. And if you're here, then you're probably on the fence about trying Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. Well, you came to the right place for an honest Ikaria Lean Belly Juice review. There are so many weight loss supplements now available on the market, and each one of them claim that they are the best and how amazing they are. And I bet you've probably tried some of these so-called amazing products, but with very little success. So I wouldn't blame you for feeling skeptical. But hear me out, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is the real deal and will not disappoint. According to the creators of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice supplement, your weight loss struggles has far less to do with what you eat or how much you exercise. It was found that overweight people have high levels of toxic lipid molecules called ceramides. These foreign compounds force fat cells to spread into the bloodstream after you eat. The toxic fat will then accumulate in your vital organs like your liver, pancreas, heart, and arteries. When these vital organs are clogged with fat, your metabolism slows to a crawl and your fat-burning hormones almost completely shut down. Your body switches to starvation mode, which is when you store even more fat on your belly, back, buns, thighs, and hips. The good news, there's a way to target these ceramides and quickly dissolve the dangerous fat around your organs, turning your body into a calorie-burning fat-melting machine. Introducing Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a potent blend of exotic nutrients specifically developed to rid your body of the newly discovered root cause of stubborn fat accumulation, destructive ceramide compounds. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice flushes out these ceramides and renews your body from within, allowing you to dissolve the stubborn fat easily and flooding your body with newfound energy and vitality. In every scoop of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, you'll find a metabolic blend of 8 of the most powerful exotic fat-burning nutrients found on the planet. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is an all-natural formula that contains only ingredients that are tested and produced in a controlled facility. It is manufactured in the USA in an FDA-registered facility that follows the GMP guidelines. The ingredients used are of the highest possible standard and are tested for the highest purity and potency. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is proven to support healthy weight loss and maintain healthy digestion and energy levels. It makes no difference if you're a man or a woman, if you're 30 or 60. You can also get impressive results by taking Ikaria Lean Belly Juice daily. I have to alert you now, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is only available through their official website. For your own safety, I've left the link to their website below this video. There you will also be able to check out testimonials and results from real Ikaria Lean Belly Juice users. The makers of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice are so confident that you'll benefit from it that they offer a full 100% 180-day money-back guarantee. So try Ikaria Lean Belly Juice risk-free today. I hope you found my review helpful. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel where I will review other amazing health and wellness products. Until next time, my friends, happy dieting!